Welcome to ERS Music Art Studio. This is Xavi. This is part 3. And in this part we will be working on the front leg. But let me remind you to always save your project. Ready? Let's begin. Instead of cube, we're going to put character. Character. There you go. And let's do a leg over here. Let's move it over here like this, so we can draw the part of the leg. So first of all, let's say you have your torso over here. Okay, here's your torso. And then this is the top part of the torso, right here. This is going to be the proportions of a standard cartoon body, okay? So let's say this is the torso. And we're doing the front leg. So here's the torso. And the first thing that we need to know is that the leg is going to come like this down, and it's going to open up like a triangle. Here is the thigh. This is the thigh. Here's the thigh. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it like this. Here's the thigh. Let me put thigh over here. The thigh. Okay, so that's the first part of it. Now, the upper legs is wider than the waist. Okay, so we want this one a little bit wider than the waist. That's good to know, right? Let's put a V over here too, from here. Let's say this part over here. You see how it's coming like a triangle, coming like this, okay? Like a triangle like this. You can just say it like an ice cream cone, like this. Here we have the knee. We're going to put the knee. Let's put a circle for the knee over here, okay? Right, here's the knee. And with the knee, we are going to do like a diamond. It's a diamond right here for the knee. But the top of it, without the top of it, maybe here's the circle right here. So we are going to do this diamond coming like this, and then like this. And then after that, we will have, oh, wait a minute, let me put the knee over here. Here's the knee. So we have the thigh from here to there. Then we have the knee, which is this part over here. And then after that, we have the shin. The shin. The shin will be maybe from here to there. And this one is straight. That one is kind of a straight, coming like this straight. And then we're going to do this. We're going to do the shin in two parts. Okay, this one. But look at these from here to here. This one is wider than this part. So we're going to put the other part here. This one is wider than this one. So it's going to come like this. So that will be the shin. Now after that, after the shin, we have a little triangle. We have a little square right here. and we can call that the ankle. The ankle right there. Then we're going to do a kind of like another triangle right here, and that will be the foot. This one is the foot. Let's draw the legs of this character, okay? All right, so let's see what we have. Here's the torso. Here's the torso. Then here's the thigh. The thigh is wider, okay, wider than the legs. So it's coming from here to here, maybe. That's the first part. Here's the thigh. We're gonna just do one. And then we have the second part of it that comes from here to there. Second part. That's the second part of the thigh. And remember, we can make a circle over here to indicate where the knee will be. And remember that diamond that I tell you? We're going to come from here like this. And because we want this one like to pinch it over here like this. So it's going to be, the diamond will be right here. There's a pinch right there. Okay, so here's the diamond. Here's the diamond. Then after the diamond, we can just, after the diamond, it's going to be like two straight lines coming from here like this. One and two straight line. That's good. Here's the two straight lines over here. That one would be the beginning of the shin, we can say. And here's the knee, here's the shin. And then this one is straight line right over here. And then the square right over here. A little square. This is the ankle. And then the foot. Here is the foot. The foot is like a triangle because this is the front view. Okay. All right. It's like a triangle, just like that. That would be fine like this. So we're going to come from here to here, to here, to here. And that would be the foot. So to model these, let me just go to, let me take this part here. Here I went to the face, to select the face right here. Then go to the front view by pressing 1. We can select E to extrude, G to move right here, then go here and use the select lasso, go to vertex and select this part, move it right here is fine. This one up a little. And this is just to use it as a guide. Okay. Now we're going to do this part over here. So Control R. There it is right there. Click on it. Select these. Let me put this one here. Let's get it closer to us. Okay. This one. Select these. Make sure you select the back of it too. That's one. Then we are going to select these, E to extrude right here, and then S to scale to the X, and then E to extrude, S to scale, very easy, E to extrude, now E to extrude, and E to extrude all the way here, and S to scale. We can select these. Let's move it a little bit this way here, like that. That's good. We will be working on this one. Might work a little bit this way. No. So let me give you this trick, okay? If you want this one to be flat. So what you do is you press S to Z, 0. See? Let's do that again. Let's do that to practice, okay? So let's say this one is this one is longer than this, and you want this to be flat and flat, right, like this. So what you need to do is select both of them, plus the one in the back, of course, you see. Then press S, Z, and the number 0, and that will flatter out. Okay, that's good. So here's the leg, my friend. Just to review, we have the torso, we have the thigh, we have here the thigh, this part is the thigh, and then we have over here the knee, and then we have the shin, which is this part over here, the shin, and here we have this little square is the ankle, and here's the foot.